Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wanted to make your own video games but don't know how to code, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to take a look at 5 amazing game engines that let you create awesome games, no coding required. Let's jump right in. 1. Construct 3. First up, we have Construct 3. This is one of the most user-friendly game engines for creating 2D games. Construct 3 is completely drag and drop, meaning you can create games just by placing objects and defining their behaviors, no programming skills needed. Construct 3 interface, drag and drop mechanics. Construct 3 also has an event-based system that makes it super easy to create complex game logic, and you can even export your game to HTML5, mobile or desktop platforms. Price, Construct 3 offers a free version with some limitations. Paid subscriptions start at $9 per month for individuals, with more premium plans for teams and businesses. Buildbox. Next, we have Buildbox. Buildbox is one of the most popular no-code game engines out there, especially for mobile games. It's designed to let you create games quickly and easily using drag-and-drop mechanics. Buildbox interface, building a simple game. Buildbox makes it super easy to create games with its visual interface, allowing you to add characters, obstacles, and power-ups by simply dragging and dropping elements into your game world. Price, Buildbox offers a free version with limited features, and paid plans start at $99 per year, with higher tiers offering more export options and advanced features. Three, Stencil. Third on our list is Stencil. Stencil is a powerful drag-and-drop game engine designed for making 2D games. It's great for creating both simple and complex games, and it's perfect for beginners who want to get started without the steep learning curve. Stencil interface, game design elements. Stencil uses a block-based system similar to Scratch, so you can easily create interactions, animations, and game mechanics without needing to learn code. Price, Stencil has a free version with basic features, but to export to multiple platforms, you'll need the Pro version, which starts at $199 per year. 4. GDevelop. Now, let's talk about GDevelop. GDevelop is an open-source game engine that allows you to create both 2D and simple 3D games without any coding. It's perfect for hobbyists and indie developers who want to bring their ideas to life quickly. Develop interface, creating a game scene. With GDevelop's event system, you can create actions, conditions, and behaviors just by clicking and selecting options from menus. It's a very intuitive system, and you can export your game to HTML5, mobile, and desktop. 6. GDevelop is completely free to use with no hidden fees or subscriptions. 5. GamSalad. Last but not least, we have GamSalad. GamSalad is a great option for creating 2D games with a focus on simplicity. It's designed for non-coders, and you can easily drag and drop components to create interactive elements. GamSalad interface, drag and drop interface for game design. GamSalad's visual scripting allows you to create game logic without needing to understand programming, and it's ideal for making mobile games, educational games, or prototypes. Price. GamSalad offers a free version with basic features. To unlock additional features and export your game to mobile platforms, you'll need to subscribe to their Pro version, which starts at $19 per month. So, there you have it, 5 amazing game engines that allow you to create games without coding. Whether you're into 2D, mobile games, or even simple prototypes, these tools make game development accessible to everyone. Which game engine are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more game development tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.